Are you looking for the best of professional cleaning services in Israeli? Have you been patronizing non-professionals without getting value for your money? Or probably scared of hiring cleaning services that may make you irreparable damage of your properties? If yes, no worries, we have a solution. There are a million cleaning services in Israel, so why choose us? In Professor Cleaning, our main goal is to give our customer even more than they asked for, focusing on service and results. For your own sake, we have built a 24/5 telephone consultation system, a professional cleaning blog, and a particularly competitive cleaning price list. Our website is created with a thought-forward and high UX to serve you on any subject in the field of cleaning. Our cleaning company has led the industry in house cleanings, everything cleaning after renovations, floor polishing services, window cleaning, cleaning carpets and upholstery, maintenance of buildings, and many more. It's time that you stop compromising on cleaning services that won't offer you extra value. Don't wait and start to feel the benefit. Call us today for a free consultation. 055-8866-221.